Yep, live. It's live. I'm the guy. Live. Again, multi-streamed. I'll take a few moments to make sure everything works everywhere as expected. And for that reason, just a few moments of the action replays just to fill the gap. Today the topic is Blender, my day 12, on day 12. More about that in a moment. See you in a second. Let's go here to Backend. Check the Backend. My streamer app, streaming light app, not. I forgot to open the pairing for the monitoring, the desktop of the monitoring rig. Keep an eye on everything, on chats, all 5 of them. So, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. MVEddy. I'll save it for the official. Intro. How's everybody doing? Everybody. Pull down this like that. Yep. Sounds good. And what's what last bit missing? Well, anybody on over there on D Live, do you have any tips on how this? You know what? I don't care about platform rewards. That's not what this content is about this time. During this series, fusion and learn alongs. I don't have time to engage that way. I don't know. If I want to play a game, I'll be playing a game. If I want to work, I'll work. The chat's for you to, I don't know, ask something or comment between yourselves. Oh, yeah, here, throw, yeah, jump, click, yeah. Click, jump, clickity, jump, click. Pop-up chat, pop-up alert. Can I hear myself? Yeah, I can. So Twitch running, Trovo running, should be on pause. YouTube should be running also. Excellent, yep, very nice, good, cool. Okay, can't set that. There you go. On your place. Or there. Well, who would say popped out chat from Trovo, loaded right away. Didn't take a refresh. Didn't need that good old F5. Pull this out, close this. Remove this like that, and there we go. So I can say now, welcome ladies and gentlemen. This is a live recording and rehearsal session from Studio Lab at Dog. I'm your host, MultiStream, who loves you the most. Even you. From production, Eddy does Internet of Capitalism, Fusion, Learn, Build, Work, Learning Blender on day 12. For your pleasure of viewing, there's my digital arts. I do a little bit of that. And you can also join me on the staking ACS Access Protocol Hub. Support me as a creator there. We share staking rewards on Solana network, Solana protocol, Solana crypto, ACS Access Protocol tokens staking. Limited promo period, 300% off on minimum staking on my pool. Or find, I don't know, some other more affordable. I appreciate my time and work and your more stake, bigger rewards. There you go. I guess that's done. That was the intro. Yeah, I know. I'll shave. I need to trim this, all this. Well, let's go with it. No reason to spend time, I don't know, trying to figure out. Anyway, this is what I do is I stream and get the material in the cloud and then edit, trim it, distribute it through the cloud. I don't have time to waste with editing, uploading, downloading locally. And since it's live, it's edutainment, let's call it like that, edutainment content. I take my time. It is a learning process, but without, I'm free to do it my own way. Nobody's forcing me. And in the end, I'll know, I'll learn. When? On time. There you go. That was the Windows workspace with keyboard shortcuts. This was previous stuff from Godot. Well, I might just move this to the other workspace. I'll just grab one of the tabs That's already sized to the zoom in level. While the rest I can move another workspace. I guess like most of people on planet Earth in 21st century 2024, we all like money, make money. So I just took a look about these, what are the rewards on Trovo and D-Live. This reward games, and Twitch, all those platforms with their weird, like botty games with chat and what's hey, what's going on there with that? What's up with that? Either pay me or I don't know. Don't fake me earnings. Fake earnings. Hey, there we go. Here's some fancy tiny images like what's that emotional satisfaction token of what. So moving this here so we can have a clear view over this, about this and that. If you want to reach out, find out more about my stuff, links or social platforms, other places you can watch my content, it's all on the website, which is, guess where? On the channel profile. That's where I put it. And well, I got a lot of questions on my website, like what's my price? Well, my price is simple. It's, I don't know, 10,000 euros for my attention. Well, for my attention it's, I don't know, just 250 euros, but if for more serious engagement, 10,000. Otherwise, don't bother. So that's, I need to make a note on my website at the contact form to get that question, like for the frequently asked questions on my website. That will be the first one. What's the price? It's 10,000 for that answer only, and it goes from there. Actual price is 1.7. Well, it was around 1 Bitcoin until it raised in price, flew up. I'm not sure would I get a fixed amount in Bitcoin or against in a counter-value in the cash. I don't know, you know, inflation's tricky. MVEddy, your host, who loves you the most, even you, signing out.